Mama. So as a stay-at-home mom, you still have not started that content creation journey. What is delaying you? What is holding you? You're waiting until you have all the gadgets in the world. You're waiting until you have everything, when everything you can actually use it is at your beck and call. Is it the lightning? Take a look at my own ring light now. Look at my ring light. See, this ring light is working. Oh, it's working. Let me on it for you. Can you see? The ring light is working, but I'm actually not using it because I don't know, it doesn't just feel it. I'm not feeling it. Now look at my microphone. Can you see? This is my microphone. As you can see, the microphone is not on, so I'm not using it. So what is that excuse? The only thing I'm using right now is this fan. Look at this fan. This fan is blowing the sense into my brain. If you need lightning, use the natural light outside. Natural light outside is good. Now if you need microphone, just look for a place that is quiet or silent. Record your video and you are good to go. It doesn't, you don't have to wait until you have all the gadgets in the world. I've been on YouTube for some time now and I've been making money on YouTube, but I make that money and I decided to start buying gadgets. But at the end of the day, sometimes I don't even use those gadgets. So who is deceiving you that you don't have any gadget, you cannot start content creation? If me as a stay-at-home mom can start content creation without a gadget, my sister, oh yeah, let's start the business. But all I'm saying is start your content creation journey. The first thing you have to do is to pick a niche. Now that niche is something that you can easily do. Browse on Google, browse on Chrome browser, look for something that you can actually do, especially something that you know how to do well. Pick that niche, start looking for content. Use ChatGPT to draft out topics under that niche. Now go on YouTube or go on TikTok and see content relating to your niche. Yes, go on TikTok or YouTube and see content relating to your niche. People must have made content about that particular niche. Now save the content that you feel like yes you want to recreate, or you feel like yes you can do something similar to that. A lot of videos that are going viral do not really need that expensive tripod stand. A lot of videos that are going viral do not even need that expensive LED light. Believe you me, I have a LED light, but I got it after YouTube started paying the money. I just started with what I had, and as hey, I'm earning in dollars now, so let me not say too much. I'm earning in dollars. You don't have to know how much, but the point still remains that you have not started that content creation that you decided that you want to start. After choosing a niche, get your phone ready. Look for a well ventilated environment that is not noisy. If you're in your shop and your shop is noisy, go to the back of your house in the evening. Yes, because as a stay-at-home mom, okay, let's assume that the kids will come back from school and you don't have that much time in the evening. Go back home in the afternoon. That business, close that shop or put someone there for 2 hours. Go back home, go to your backyard, record the number of content that you want to record in under 2 hours outside under the natural light, using with a clear sound, recognition and everything. Record whatever you want to record. After the 2 hours, you go back to your daily business. It is not a serious matter at all. After then, you come back home, maybe after the night dinner or anything, because normal mama will be mama now. Go settle everybody. I don't know if you understand me. After that one, maybe at night, you now start editing. If you can edit 2 videos in a day, no problem. If it is just 1 video, no problem. Just edit the one that you can edit. You don't have to be a professional editor. Watch simple videos on how to edit on TikTok. In fact, TikTok is very, very explanatory. So is YouTube. YouTube is a longer version, a much more explanatory version of TikTok. You get to see short also on YouTube. Learn how to do the simple editing. Increase the volume, reduce the lightning, increase the exposure. Cut out clips that you don't want.
Those are the simple things that you can do them. You can do them in your nightwear. As you can see, this is more like a nightwear for a mom. You can do them in your bedroom. You can do them in anywhere. Now, I have decided that this year we have to be extremely realistic. We'll try our very best to come out being realistic. Now, this is me being realistic with you. So if you're a stay-at-home mom and you're having any challenges when it comes to content creation or any challenges whatsoever, join my Telegram channel. So guys, let me know if you're starting your content creation journey this year. Let me know if you're starting your content creation journey this month. If you're posting that video that is in your inbox, that video that is in your gallery, if you are posting it, just say yes, I am starting, or say I am starting.